Hoffmann's Hex. I moved to South Korea, and I'm going to try to explain to you how I memorized the Korean alphabet. If you take a piece of paper and do this along with me, it's going to be easier for you to memorize. The first one is a line, which is A. The next one is over that line, O, 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 O. Under the line, U, 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 U. If you make two lines from something going away, then it becomes a Y sound. So in this case, yo, yo. Or under, U, U, like university, U. Next one is E, A. In the middle is A, and to the right is A. How do you best memorize that? What makes E-A a donkey? A donkey. A. A. So E-A in the middle, A. Donkey. I hope it helps you. E-A. A. Donkey. Same that we had before, the Y sound also works with A and A. So to the left, which is A, Ya. To the right, A, Ya. Then you have this sound, which can be written both ways. And if you add two more lines, it could be a K. But it really is between a K and a G. So kind of like a G in brackets. G. Next one looks like a nail. The next one, we complete the square to make it a mailbox. So from nail to mailbox. Next one is a P sound. How do I memorize that? I think it looks kind of like a little cage, and I put a bird in it, a pigeon, which makes peep because it's in a cage. Peep, P, pigeon, P, P. Two pigeons. Then we have this one, which is easy to memorize. It looks to me like a glass of, well, beer. It's a B sound. B. B. Now I'm thirsty. B. B. And this looks like a turned around F. And here I memorize this one with a little word, fork, because it is in reality a K sound. You can also use a different word, which I'm not going to mention. You look at the turned around F and you think of the word fork or something else. K. Then comes a letter that to me looks like a Chinese character with this little dash on top. Chinese ch. It's a ch. If you do not have that little dash on top, it's a softer one. It's a j. J. Here comes something else that looks like a letter that we know, but it's not. It's not an E. If you see that one, it's actually a T sound. But since a lot of Koreans like to play golf, let's use the word tee. You tee off T. It's a T. If you see the E, it's a T, it's a T. And this one you see a lot. It's an S sound. And to me, it resembles a snake. 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 The ch and the j can also be written a little bit different like that, with a little dash on top, and the other one is missing the dash. The one is ch and the other j, just different ways to write it. And then you have this little circle, and that has two possibilities. So if the circle is on top or in front, then only the sound coming after it is pronounced. So in this case, ah. It's silent, ah. If it is below, then it's an ng sound. So in this case, song, song. So in front, silent, below, ng. Then we have this letter that looks a little bit like a digital S, and if you add another line, it could resemble an R. And this letter is, at least to my ears, always sounds different. It's either R or L, R or L, depending on what kind of word you're listening to. So you need to practice that one. R, R. That's what I look like when I try it. This one is going to be easy for you to memorize. You can write it this way or this way, and it looks like a person with a hat. H, H sound. H. It's a hat. H. And then we have these double signs. They're basically pronounced. This one is a G. And here comes the D sound. Oh, wait, I forgot to show you the D, the D sound. So this one, if you see that, you can imagine closing it. And then it becomes a D, D, D. So you double it, and it's more pronounced, so it becomes a D. Two snakes, S. Then 2 times the Chinese type, J. 2 beer, please, B. And then we have this special letter, which is slightly easier for me since I'm German. We have in Germany this umlaut, and I'm just going to write it. This is a German ä. Ä. Perhaps this way you can memorize it. Ä. And by the way, it's pronounced basically the same if that little line is to the left and not in the middle. If you make 2 lines, either in the middle or going out to the left side, it is this y sound which is added, so it becomes a ye. Ye. Both are pronounced ye. Kind of like a ladder. Does that work? I don't know. So let's try it out. This one is a G, E, mailbox, This Chinese letter, and again E, and comes a little dash on top, and then it becomes this Gim, Ch, E, kimchi. You've heard that before. Cabbage. Marinated. New word. Same beginning. Gim. Beer. B. To the right, ia. This is the a, ba. And another beer, bap. Kimbap. Rice dish. And again, kim. Chi, kimchi. Then comes this double sound. J, I, G, E. Kimchi jjigae. And that's a soup. Excellent. Well, try it out. And oh, something that I wanted to tell you. So in Korea, you do not eat with a fork, you eat with chopsticks and spoon. And where do you find them? If you're in the restaurant, you find them in a drawer at the side of the table. That's a secret. I didn't know that before. And then you can order kimchi or gimbap or kimchi jjigae. I hope that this is helpful for you, and please subscribe for more videos. 감사합니다.